looking at 4. An error has been made. Whew, gotta find the mistake. This is good for you guys, because a lot of you guys make mistakes, and we just need to make sure we can isolate them and find them. So the first thing we did, we had to follow along. We moved the 6 over there. We kept that a positive. We kept that a positive. We moved that over in a positive. So far, looks pretty good. What looks like here, do you see that what changed here is that we divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, didn't divide by 3? That's what we need. But the whole division by 3 thing, awesome. So what we're going to do then is start it with the whole divide by 3 sum, thingamajigga. But this time I'm going to take my 168 and divide by 3, and I'm going to get 56. So then I'm going to divide this by 2 is 1, squared is 1, plus 1 plus 1. Divide this by 2 is 8, squared is 64, 64, 64. So I end up getting x minus 1 squared plus y plus 8 squared is equal to 121. So the radius is 11, square root. The center is opposite and opposite, and whew, we're done.